How to add music or audio to a Tumblr post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the pencil icon at the bottom to start creating a new post. Next, select the audio tool from the options at the bottom of the screen. You can search for a song using the built-in source, and it supports music services like Spotify and SoundCloud. Before posting, you can add a description or tags to make your post more discoverable and engaging. After reviewing everything, tap the post button at the top right corner to publish your music or audio post. Your followers will now be able to listen to your music or audio directly from your Tumblr blog. Remember, sharing music can help you express your style and connect with your audience in a unique way. Now you know how to add music or audio to a Tumblr post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.